It's spring and we've got lots to do. Let's go! So we're down here in the greenhouse and we are wanting to plant tomatoes, eggplants, chilies and peppers just to get a bit of a head start. I was going to wait until that big greenhouse was all up and going, but it's taken a while and I'm a bit in dreamland and it's not going to happen. So I've got to make room in this greenhouse, which is a bit impossible at the moment. But so I'm pretty much taking out all the cold hardy stuff and going to put it in the aviary somehow. So the pineapple and maybe the dragon fruit I'll put out, and maybe the inga beans. Yeah, and we'll see what else as we go on. But I've got Matilda here, I've got Raven here, I've got Theo that is going around collecting eggs when I told him we're going to do it after this. And then we've got Enzo chasing chickens, which he's not supposed to be doing either. So lots to do. We're just going to get into it, make some room, start planting some seeds. Dragon chucking all over there.
Why are we planting him?
Yep. Yep, go put them by. No, we're not planting. Yeah, we're going to put.
I found a massive purple one, and today is good windy and windy. So let's go down bottom. Yeah, I'm down bottom now. Daddy found quite a massive one. Today I found a real big one.
So some of these dragon fruit had some really long shoots. Luckily I didn't break them. Right, we're going to put all this dragon fruit down here for now, and the pineapple, some are pretty big, but some are really yellow in need of some new soil or something, so I don't know, we'll deal with that another day. We finally have a little bit of space, so we should have enough space here to put our eggplants in that. So Matilda, do you want to get one of those big trays, those I think 130 trays? Yep, and we'll put that up here and we'll start filling it up with seed raising mix. Okay?
So my little sister is very helpful.
It'll be yellow. Theo, we're looking for you. You want to do an egg hunt? Come egg hunting? Yeah? Let's go. Okay, Theo, we're going to have a look in here. In this nest over here. Oh, you want to have a look in there first?
Well, we know where the other egg spot is.
Where the other egg spot is, Theo?
So, show us the Yeah. There's one. Well, let's go find more.
Because some of them escaped. Remember we just got them in? We might have to check later on them.
No, wait, but maybe they're like up.
Oh, we'll go see if we'll go hunting and see if there's some more nesting. Okay? Let's go. Open it up. Who's in there? 2 chickens.
That's Broody. Broody's the one.
Which one's the broody one?
The one with the white face.
Wow. Yeah, we don't yet know what to do with her.
But it's okay.
We can dunk her in hot water, cold water, or isolate her without a coop, or we could let her hatch some chickens. So what we might do, guys, is we might actually put her in this other cage over here, and then she can't.
But then there's also that.
Yeah, that's right. Because if she gets out, that's not too bad. If she gets out, she won't be able to get back in here. But she makes all the eggs hot, so she pretty much starts the fertilization.
It boils them.
She pretty much starts the incubation process by doing that. So if you eat the egg, you might get a little red spot. Nothing bad, but we actually want to incubate these eggs, so we don't want that to happen, or else they won't do anything. It's right for like a little bit, but yeah, not that long. So what chicken is it? That one?
White one. The white is the white.
And is she nasty?
Sometimes. Mum said she hurt. Well, she tried.
She bit her. Are you going to bite me? Oh, no.
There we go, she's gone.
Maybe she's scared of me.
Maybe.
But I should really try to grab her. Okay. And you guys sure it's this one, eh?
Yeah.
Because if it's the other one, then we're in a bit of trouble. So we're going to put her. Okay, so we'll chuck her in this next cage. There's no nesting material, so she should be fine. Lock her in quick. Do you want to grab that?
Do you have an egg?
Do you want to grab that egg?
No.
Yeah, grab it.
Where did you keep shavings? Why do you think I'm going?
Good boy. How many eggs? How many eggs? Show the camera how many eggs.
3 eggs in total.
Oh, did you already get 2? Okay.
Warm?
Is it a bit warm?
Yeah.
It'll be right. She's already got out of the coop and she's already talking to her buddy rooster down there, so we'll see how long that lasts. If she gets back in, oh well, we'll sort something out. So me and Matilda down here, we're inside in our office, and this is how we used to store our eggs when we used to sell fertile eggs. So we've got about 16 geese eggs here, and there's probably about 30 barred rock eggs. There is some other chickens in there, so we might have some crossbreeds, but they should be majority barred rocks. So we're going to chuck them in our incubator that is down here. Sorry for the mess, it is a bit messy in here. we've got our hatching incubator up here, and we have our Brinzea, I think it's 280 eggs, and that turns it every hour or something, so we don't need to go and turn it. Yeah, and we've got our humidity pump up here that controls the water, so we don't need to worry about that. We just have to fill it up every now and again. But yeah, we put them in the bottom for like 2 weeks, and then we put them on the top. But the geese eggs are a little bit more fiddly because we've got to spray them with water and stuff like that, but at the moment we could just put them in, forget about them. Okay, so we're gonna we've got to set up, we've got some trays over here, and we'll set out the trays, and then we'll put the eggs in, then put them in the incubator. Okay, so these are the trays we've got over here, and these are the ones that go in between, so you can put like that, and maybe every fourth line you can put one in, maybe one more, make it 4 in between each one. Now we should be able to put 30 eggs in each one, so maybe put them on the ground, darling, like that. Okay, maybe one more like that. Yep, just make it 4 on each side. That's good. Now these eggs are less than 10 days old, so 10 days is kind of the sort of cut-off point. They'll get too old after that, but you can save your eggs for about 10 days. Oh, this one might need one more. And the reason why we're hatching so much is so we can try to be a bit more self-sufficient with our chickens and replace our layers, and then maybe raise some up for meat birds.
Which I do not want to eat them.
So you reckon they're all going to fit?
Maybe. This one won't fit there.
We might have to do some remodeling. Oh shit.
Oh no, you cracked one. Why don't you just go like that way?
Okay, put that somewhere. Okay, so we've got 32 eggs all up. So we're going to biff them in, and then we're going to sort out the geese eggs. So we've already had the incubator running for about an hour just to get the humidity and the temperature right. So yeah, it's pretty much ready for these. So in 3 weeks, baby chicks will explode.
And then we get our own goose each. Constantly. And then when it's older, Mum says we have to eat them. Nobody forgets about it.
Okay, that's the one tray. Now these eggs are definitely a lot bigger, so we're going to need a lot more spacing. So if I put them in, Matilda, we'll put like 3 in each one, and then you just make sure they're locked in so they're not going to move. Okay, but they don't want too much movement, so the tighter the better.
As tight as it can go.
Oh, we've got one more egg. Wonder if we can fit it in somehow, or do you reckon we...
Yeah, I think we can.
Oh, no, yeah, we can,
yeah.
Yeah, we could fit 4 in there. So I'll make this a bit tighter so they don't kind of roll.
What about this can go like a double?
Yeah, I'll put this in here so there's not too much movement. This one maybe here. Okay, now we'll put these in the incubator, so you open the door.
Buddha, please, just
And that's about it. That's all ready to go. Just put them in and walk away, basically. We're going to keep saving geese eggs. We're going to definitely let them hatch some of their own, because the hatch rate's a lot better with the geese than it is with incubator. Well, we've found anyway. Mainly because we get them early and the fertility's low, and then let them have the later ones and their fertility's a lot higher. And the chickens, we'll keep hatching them as well, the barred rocks, until they stop laying, because in summer they'll probably stop laying, be all broody like the other one. So yeah, so thanks Matilda, high five, yeah. I'm back over here at our potato patch, and I really need to get this done. I'm going to attempt to do some more rototilling today, but Debs is going out this afternoon, so I got to look after some chiddlers up there, so I've maybe got an hour to do some tilling. At least I want to get a couple of rows so I can get some potatoes in the ground maybe tomorrow, but we'll see what happens. I've done a little half there. I kind of figured out how to do it. Definitely needed to be drier. So I've done a little bit, it's just getting the wheels over the hump. I still don't know if I'm doing it right. So if you don't know any tricks, put it down in the comments and tell me what I'm doing wrong. But I'm going to do some tilling, so I'll put you guys on time lapse, and I'll see you guys shortly. So 2 rows rototilled. I got it on about half the depth that I probably could have, but it is a mission. This has taken me at least 2 hours, about an hour in a bed, so I think during the week I'm going to do 1 bed a day, or try to. It's real back breaking. But tomorrow or sometime we might just start, might get the kids to start planting these potatoes, get planted. But I reckon I can get maybe at least 7 rows in there. I might do the same as last year, and I might plant a row of sunflowers around here, but we'll see how we go. But yeah, that rototiller is definitely not the easiest thing. And remember, if I'm doing it wrong, say something in the comments so I can learn from my mistakes. But that's about me for today. I gotta go up, do some baking with the kids while my wife goes out to a party somewhere, just here in Evelyn. So yeah, wish me luck, and just cross your fingers these kids behave themselves for me. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Subscribe, hit the like button, share it to all your friends, and I'll see you guys later. Look out.